Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall PayPal app. PayPal is one of the most widely used online payment platforms. It is used for sending money, pay for online purchases and manage financial transaction security. Sometimes you may need to uninstall the PayPal app from a device, whether to free up your storage space, troubleshoot login or app issues, or reinstall a fresh version. Uninstalling the app is simple and does not delete your PayPal account, so you can log in anytime. So here's a detailed step-by-step guide to uninstall PayPal on iPhone. First, what you can do is you need to locate the PayPal app on your home screen and simply press and hold the app until the menu appears over here, and in the top we can find to this remove app. Simply tap on the remove app, and again it will ask you for the delete confirmation. Select to this delete, and that is it. You have successfully uninstalled your PayPal app on your iPhone. And uninstalling the app does not delete your PayPal account. Your funds and account information remain safe, and you can reinstall the app anytime from the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're using the Android. And uninstalling and reinstalling is a common fix if the app is crashing, freezing, or not logging in properly. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.